Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, after 13 years, the Tahoe is finally on the road for its first drive ever. So today, we're going to go up in the mountains and just putt around and see how it feels. So far, so good. So far, we're getting hot on the hill climb already. We have awesome views. Everything else is going good. We're just overheating a little bit, but it's cooling off now on the flats. This doesn't like the hill climbs. So far, so good. Tahoe is doing just awesome in the mud. Four-wheel drive's working great. No issues. Just gets a little warm on the hill climbs. I think because of the stock gearing in the 35s. I'm not using 4 low yet, but it's going fantastic. Having fun. This is where we went snowmobiling about 12 years ago. Lots of fun hill climbs going up there and lots of muddy little areas to play in up here, but we're not looking to wreck the Tahoe on the first trip out. We're just breaking it in. So maybe by next weekend when Matt White will have his ready and we can go out again. Get the Bronco and the Tahoe and see what else we can find. Heading back down now. So we're back at the shop. The Tahoe did absolutely wonderful putting around the mountains. As soon as I got back to the shop, the shift cable let go. Won't go into park and won't go all the way down to first and second. So that's pretty minor. I have another one sitting in another truck. So we'll pull it in the shop. That is good for that thing for this week. Just got to fix the shift cable and we're off and running again. And now we get to try this one out. Gonna take this one home today and put it on the road. So we're going for a test drive in the Mustang now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe. We're going for our first test drive with the new Flowmaster Super 10's, and already it has way more power. I mean, a massive difference between the thrush mufflers. It's a little droney, definitely a lot louder. that's it for our Sunday fun day of four-wheeling and burning rubber in the Mustang. Just trying to break them in and see if there's any issues with them. Still got a few little bugs to work out in both vehicles, but they are definitely doing well, considering I found both these vehicles, the Mustang and the Tahoe, just wasting away. They needed a ton of work. So we're almost back to 100% on both of them, and I'm really having fun with them. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe.